Welcome to ZingKidz.
U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for umpire. Umpire. U is for underwear. Underwear. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. U is for uncle. Uncle. U is for ubiquitous. Ubiquitous. U is for unlock. Unlock. U is for unity. Unity. U is for universal. Universal. U is for understand. Understand. U is for Ukraine. Ukraine. U is for update. Update. U is for uphold. Uphold. U is for urgent. Urgent. U is for uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. U is for underline. Underline. U is for USB. USB. U is for upload. Upload. U is for username. Username. U is for underground. Underground.